project around sustainability that they can start with or that they can implement, what will you recommend as school leaders to start off?
I'm going to share a few practices that we implement in our school. One is because gradually we have less land since we have vertical skyscrapers which are coming. We have introduced hydroponics in our school. We want to teach our children what is soilless agriculture. We also teach them, stem propagation, leaf propagation by that. Not only this, but when the children grow their own saplings in plant, we have sessions where they sell the grown-up plants to the parents as well. So they learn financial literacy as well. They know record keeping and so on. They not only study in books what is leaf propagation or stem propagation, they actually do it. The other very impactful practice which we are having in school is introducing capillary pots. So I'm sure many of us know it, but it is where we reuse the old plastic bottles. So there are two cutout plastic bottles, and there is a cotton string which goes down to the lower level. The water is there. On the upper bottle, we have a little soil, and that is where we grow the plant. So we don't need to water the plant. Through the capillary, through the cotton string, the water gets planted on its own. So children learn that we reuse the old plastic bottles. Also, we reduce the consumption of water that is used for gardening. So that is another practice which we follow. The third thing is that my children, because we also want to have creators and innovators from India, we mix green technology with robotics. So my children design and build a robo which could segregate the waste. They study about landfills, that human beings, they segregate the waste, like we were talking about Sahas, this thing. People get sick because of that. So my children thought that why not make a robo which could go on its own. Of course, we control it, and it segregates the waste and put it into different bins which can be recycled. So that is another thing we follow. Also in our school, on their birthdays, children gift saplings, and we also have aquarium. They give fish for the aquarium. So instead of bringing chocolates, they like to give saplings and fish for our aquarium.